In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and sell a digital product inside HoneyBook. First things first, let's dive into creating your digital product. You have a few options here. You can use design tools like Canva or Adobe Suite to craft your masterpiece. Whether it's an ebook, a template, or a checklist, these tools provide a versatile canvas to bring your ideas to life. If you prefer a more streamlined and integrated approach, you can also choose to create your digital product directly within HoneyBook using their brochures feature. It's a neat option that keeps everything in one place. Once you've nailed down the creation of your product, the next step is to host it. For this, you'll need to upload your completed file to a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Once uploaded, generate a shareable link. It's important to check the link settings, making sure anyone with the link can view it. This ensures your customers can easily access the digital product once they purchase it. Now that your product is safely hosted and ready to share, let's set up a lead form in HoneyBook. This is where things start to get really exciting. First, navigate to the Tools section and select Lead Forms. Here, you have the choice to either edit an existing form or create a new one from scratch by clicking Create New. Once you're in the form editor, locate or add a services block. If a services block isn't already there, you can easily add one by clicking the plus icon and selecting Services. With your lead form all set up, it's time to add your digital product to the form. Within the services block, you'll want to add a new service. This is where the details of your digital product come into play. Fill in the name, provide a captivating description, and set the price for your digital offering. Once you've added these details, click on the outline for the services block to open the menu on the right-hand side. Here, you'll find the option to toggle on Add a Digital Product link. Flip that switch and then paste the shareable URL you generated earlier from your file hosting service. There you have it. You've successfully built and integrated a digital product into HoneyBook, setting the stage to start selling. By following these steps, you've created a seamless experience for both you and your clients, all within the user-friendly platform of HoneyBook. Remember to review everything to ensure all details and links are correct, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and happy selling.